Hello friends, this is Mr. Alval Reddy, an eminent expert for pharmaceutical consultant. Today we discuss about how to get best profits on pharmaceutical direct compression granules, manufacturing and marketing. Now we discuss about brief introduction about pharmaceutical granules, global market trends of pharmaceutical granules, what are the top selling pharmaceutical granules, who are the major players of pharmaceutical granules? Brief introduction about pharmaceutical granules. Pharmaceutical granules is a technique which raising, whirling and tumbling motion of APIs with various excipients. The key element in the process of manufacturing of DC granules is PSD. What is PSD? We will discuss in detail in next parts. Global market trends of pharmaceutical granules. The global pharmaceutical DC granules market size is projected to reach $900 billion by 2027, expanding at a CAGR of 8.9% over the forecast period, according to global research institutes. Top selling pharma granules are paracetamol granules, ibuprofen granules, and metformin granules. In some of the countries, paracetamol called as acetaminophen. Now we discuss about granulation technology. What is granulation technology? Granulation technology mainly divided into two categories. One is FBP technology. FBP means fluid bed processor technology. Another one is RMG technology. RMG means rapid mixer granulator technology. The above two different technologies we use to manufacture of different types of granules. Generally, FBP technology we use for fine grade granules and RMG we use for coarse grade granules. What are the benefits of these pharmaceutical granules to the finished dosages manufacturers? Which pharmaceutical products is suitable for the direct compression granules technology? For which products we use FBP technology and for which products we use RMG technology? What is dry powder granulation and what is wet granulation? Why many finished pharma products manufacturers is preferring this direct compression granules? We will discuss in detail in next parts. Top pharmaceutical granules manufacturers are at global level. There is few top pharma direct compression granules manufacturers. We will discuss in detail now. Mallinckrodt is USA based DC granules manufacturer and their major product is acetaminophen direct compression granules. In USA, paracetamol called as acetaminophen, as we discussed previously. BASF is a Germany based manufacturer and their major product is ibuprofen direct compression granules. Atabe is a Turkey based manufacturer and their major product is paracetamol direct compression granules. Anquilan China and Anhui BBCA is China based manufacturers and their major product is paracetamol direct compression granules. In India, we have few manufacturers for pharmaceutical direct compression granules. Granules India is the top list in manufacturing of DC granules and their major products are paracetamol DC granules, metformin DC granules and ibuprofen DC granules, etc. Sri Krishna Pharma also is in top list manufacturing of DC granules and their major products are paracetamol DC granules, metformin DC granules and ibuprofen DC granules. US Vitamins also India based manufacturer and their major products is metformin DC granules. What are the top importing countries of this DC granules? The top importing countries of this DC granules products are In North America, USA, Canada, and Mexico. In Europe, Spain, Italy, Germany, France, Poland, and UK are the major importers of this DC granules. In Asia Pacific, Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia are the major importers of this DC granules. In South America, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Argentina, Peru, Ecuador, Panama, Costa Rica, and Venezuela are the major importers of this DC granules. In Middle East and Africa, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, Nigeria, and South Africa are the major countries of this DC granules importers. At the outset, there is a tremendous growth of manufacturing and selling of pharmaceutical direct compression granules at global level in the coming days. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our content, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button.